Computer equipment maintenance. It describes various steps to keep your computer functioning at an optimal performance level from a software and hardware point of view, such as keeping your computer system upgraded after every 3 years is recommended. Preventive maintenance. It is a proactive maintenance of equipment before a fault occurs. It involves routine tasks to ensure that your system is running optimally, and there are several preventive measures you can take, such as cleaning monitor, keyboard and mouse. Communication technology. In the past decades, communication technology has provided society vast array of new capabilities for communication, such as letters and telegrams are now replaced with telephone calls, mobile phones, emails, and so on. New technology saved time and space, and communication has become cheap. Modern information and communication technologies have spread globally, and there is need of knowledge in which computers have played a vital role to create and supply information. Computer technology in education. Computer advancement have liberty and self-estimation. Software such as word processor program assists students in managing their work. Other computer technology helps people in pronunciation, learning new languages, analyzing teaching methods or improving skills, aid to people having disabilities, helping people in practicing speech skills, and so on.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.